Hey, this is Taylor with Symmetry, and we help busy people take back control of their lives so they have more time, more energy, and less stress. Today we're going to talk a little bit about stress, but before we do that, we're going to go through a quick breathing routine that you can use anytime you're in a stressful situation. Instead of becoming reactionary, maybe lashing out, holding your breath, which is something a lot of people do, creating tension in your body, you can use this to calm down. We call this 2-4-6 breathing. Now the first thing I want you to do, if you're looking at a phone or a computer, which you're watching this video, so I know you are, is to look up and gaze panoramically. If we're intensely focused with our eyes, that puts us in a more stressed state. So as we gaze panoramically, especially in nature, it helps calm us down. Then we're going to take 2 quick breaths in through the nose and out of the mouth. This is a double inhale, then an exhale. Just like this. Making sure we're breathing down into the belly and all of this. Then we're going to go with 4 breaths in through the nose and slower out of the mouth. Just like this. Then we're going to go with 6 breaths in through the nose, out of the mouth, a little bit slower. We want to think about doubling your exhale to inhale here. That helps calm the nervous system down and really drop you down. We're going to do in for 3, pause, and out for 6. So just with me, follow along. In for 3, 2, 1, pause. Out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 3, 2, 1, pause. Out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 3, 2, 1, pause. Out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 3, 2, 1, pause. Out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 3, 2, 1, pause. Out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 3, 2, 1, pause. Out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now when you're breathing out there, you can also try a hissing or humming exhale. Those are great ways to calm yourself down. Now I know if you're with a bunch of people, you're probably not going to want to do that, but if you're in your car by yourself, it's a great way to help you relax. So now, why are we using the breath there? The breath is the only thing in our body that is automatic, yet it is under control. We can't control our heart rate just by thinking about it. We can't control our digestion just by thinking about it, but we can control our breath. And the reason is because it's a tool. It is the remote control of our brain. We can use it to ramp us up and ramp us down. But it takes practice and learning how to use it. And the more you use it and engage with it, the better you get, the quicker you will be able to calm down in stressful situations or ramp you up too when you need to. So now we hear a lot about stress. Stress is bad. It's not good for you. Really, stress just is. It is not good or bad. It is a part of life. It is something we use to adapt and grow, because stress plus rest equals growth. We grow from putting ourselves through difficult workouts, then resting and getting better. Testing yourself through giving presentations, speeches, having difficult conversations. Those are all ways that we grow as people, but they're also stress. What's the problem is long-term chronic stress, and we are constantly in the stressful state. That becomes a problem. So what happens when we get stressed? The nervous system goes to what's called the sympathetic side, that fight or flight, which you've probably heard that term before. And what happens is our heart rate begins to increase, our breathing rate increases. Lots of times you'll start breathing into your upper chest in a faster pattern. You also notice maybe you get sweaty palms when you get a little stressed out. Your blood will rush into your muscles. It mobilizes action because evolutionarily, The main stressful situations were running from lions and predators. So we had to be able to move and move quickly, and we shut off all other functions. We shut off our digestive function, sexual functions, anything else we didn't need to survive in the moment. We also release cortisol and adrenaline, which are necessary to life, but if they're always on, it can harm our overall health, causing cardiovascular issues, digestive issues, things like ulcers, stress problems, can lead to a host of other issues as well. So we really want to be cognizant of always being in that fight or flight stress. If you notice you have a lot of tension, maybe a good amount of anxiety, that's a good indicator that you might be on that more stress side. Now, the other side of the nervous system is called the parasympathetic side. It is the rest, relaxation, digestive side of the nervous system. When we're there, our heart rate's slower, our breathing rates are slower, we're in a more calm, focused state. We are rested and ready to act and move to where our body recovers. It's how we should be 95% of the time. We should be able to jump up into that sympathetic and then come right back down if we need to. So what we're going to do next is a breathing technique called box breathing. This is a good thing to do first thing in the morning, helps settle your mind for the day. It's great to do before presentations. Anything you might feel you might be getting into a stressful situation, it's good to do. It's actually a technique that's taken from the Navy SEALs. They use it before going into missions. So as we do this, I want you to just take a nice seated position, sit up straight, roll the shoulders down and back, and let's check into our breath. You can close your eyes if you want to. But just notice how you're breathing right now. Are you breathing into your upper chest? Into your belly? Is it fast or slow? Are you breathing in your nose or out of your mouth? Notice also if you're holding any tension in your body, and see if you can just let it go. Now I want you to begin breathing in through your nose and out of your nose. That's how we're going to be breathing for the rest of this session. Begin pulling that breath into the belly. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, it falls. Now I want you to go ahead and exhale your air. Let's breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I want you to continue this pattern on your own. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, out for 4, and hold for 4. Just following your breath. As you breathe in, your belly rises. As you breathe out, your belly falls. In through the nose and out through the nose. Letting go of any tension you might be holding in your body. Anything you've got to do later today. anything that happened before. Just going to spend about another minute here. Now I want you just to let your breath go back into your body, how it naturally wants to go. Noticing if you feel a little different than when you started that. It's not a long session. Very quickly just changing your state. Now I want you to remember, become aware of what happens when you get stressed out. Watch how your breath rate changes. Watch where you might feel it in your body. You might feel some tension in your belly, in your neck. State to change is creating a little bit of awareness, noticing what's going on. Then you can come back to your breath using the 2-4-6 in the moment to calm down, or using this box breathing throughout the day. It's great to use during transitions as you move from work to home, home to work. You'll notice you'll be in a nice, more relaxed state, able to handle anything that comes your way. Now, if you want to find out more information, check out my website, www.symmetry.live. It's got our schedule for our virtual breath classes where we really dive into the details of all this stuff.